Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your lip gloss with food coloring. This is completely harmless, and if your TKB pigments are taking too long, why not? So as usual, I'm adding some Versagel to the container. The container is from the 99-cent store. The oils I'll be using will be vitamin E oil and coconut oil. My flavoring oil is from Get Suckered. This was just a test, so I decided to use the vodka flavoring oil. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing all of that together. For this video, I added 2 drops of each oil. I forgot to mention that. I will be using preservative oil in this video. This is to make your lip gloss last longer. I didn't really need to use it since this was just a test and a trial. But I decided that I'm going to start putting the lip gloss that I make on YouTube. I'm going to add it to my website as a free item when you spend $20 or over. There is the food coloring that I use. I decided to use a red color today. It did come in a box with 4, and I did get it from the supermarket for about $5.49. These are also on Amazon, but I figured that Amazon shipping would take way too long, so I decided to just go to the supermarket and get it. And I'm going to be adding 3 drops. Later on in the video, I did add an extra drop, so altogether it was 4 drops. I know this looks orange on camera. For some reason, my camera lighting just been acting up. I don't know if because I'm in the background. Usually, I am not in the background. That's probably the reason. But I'm just going to be mixing that together. And it did come out too watery, so I did add some more Versagel. I'm adding the lip gloss to the syringe by pulling it up. I don't like putting it through the top part, if that makes any sense, because it gets really messy. So I'm just going to go ahead and start filling up the tubes. I promise if you add the lip gloss to the syringe the way I do it, it will be less messy and you wouldn't have to necessarily wash your lip gloss after, because there will be no excess lip gloss on the on the outside of the tube, I should say. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Mwah.